Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So for this video, it's not going to be a super long one. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dede. Thank you so much for your support and for visiting, and I hope that you enjoy my videos. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much. Okay, so for today's video, it is not going to be a super long video because I have other videos to record, but I had told you guys in a previous video that I was going to show you my current brow tutorial, or the way I do my brows. So you guys know that I had told you some time back that I had gotten this ColourPop Tinted Feather Effect brow wax, and I've been playing in it. The first initial use, I was kind of like, oh, this might not be the product for me because I have very thin, sparse brows, but I have grown to enjoy this. I have added something else to it, which I'll tell you in this video, and there it is there. It looks fairly dark in here, but it's not as dark when you put it on. So the way that I found that this works for me recently is I take my brow pencil, which currently I'm almost done with. This is my Juvia's Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Pencil, and this is in dark brown. And I really do like this pencil. I would definitely repurchase it once I get down to using some of my other products that I got in boxes previously, or that I picked up here and there to try for you guys here on my channel. I will repurchase this because I really do love it. I think that it's so effortless. The tip and the shape of it and all of that, the thinness, I really love. So I did go ahead and fill in this brow here. Now, before, you guys would see me, and previously when I do my brows, I would fill the whole brow in and basically go over all of the hair. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking the pencil before the wax and I'm filling it in wherever it's sparse, wherever I'm missing hair or it's just not thick enough or whatever. So I did do this one, as you can see. And then I'm going to just go over and do this side. So what I do now is, which I didn't do before, is I take a spoolie, a clean spoolie, and I just push my brows up just like that in the shape that they normally would go. And what I do is go in with that pencil where it's sparse so that I can fill it in and make it a little fuller. So I'm going to quickly go over to this other side. Like I said, I did this side already, and I've truly been enjoying it. My husband really likes it. Find my mirror, it's really dirty. I need to clean it. I just noticed that. So I still do the bottom line. I will still go in and I will still just kind of follow that outline for the direction of where I want to go. But I don't go in super heavy like that, and I will clean it up a little bit too. Sometimes my hands are a little shaky and I go a little bit farther than I want. And then now what I do, like I said, is I just go in here and I just fill in any parts that I feel are just a little too light. And I don't go in I'm going so lightly because I barely want the product to even go on the brows. Of course, I have to do this side because this top part is very thin. This is my fuller brow of the two, whereas this one I'm missing a lot of hairs and it's a lot thinner. So as you can see, you see that? You see how they just look like my natural brows? Right here I'm still working on. I haven't actually like figured that part out when it comes to that inner part. I want it to look like hair. That's still a work in progress for me. Very lightly trying to make doing it in like a stroking manner, if that makes sense. Before I put the wax, I do go in and clean them up because once I put that wax on, there's no going back. That wax sets and dries and it stays. Not really one, like I told you guys, I do not like thin brows for me on my face. That's just my I know there's certain people that do like thin brows on me, but I do not like thin brows on myself, unfortunately. And I honestly don't want them super thick either. So far this is what we have going on. Like I said, I don't fill them in completely like I used to. I need to clean up a little bit more here, but I really do like the more natural look. And again, they're not going to be perfect because I'm still learning how to do them. So they may not be the best in this format. I know when I do my other brows, I have that down packed because I've been doing that way for so long. Will usually come out good majority of the time for me. So with this product, you do have to wet it. So what I just been doing is taking a little bit of my facial spray or facial mist. Again, you have to wet it. So I just take a little bit of my setting mist. This is the Pure Cosmetics. I've had this for so long since I worked at Ulta, and that's been a very long time. But I'm definitely trying to use it up. It's a great setting mist. I just don't reach for it. And it's right here on my desk, which is very weird because I don't reach for it. Then what you have to do is take your spoolie in it and kind of mix it around and make it like a jelly. It will make it kind of like a jelly formula. So I just keep twisting the spoolie around in it like this until I feel like I got product on there. And sometimes I have to go back in again with more mist, but that's okay. And then all I do is I take the spoolie and I just take my, and just gently go up. Sometimes some of the products will get, like on the parts of my eye, but what I do is just go later and clean that up. And I just comb them up like this and add the product. You see that? And if I feel like it needs more product, I will go back in and do that. Add more. For me, this has really worked. I know some people may not like this or think that they can get it to work. I wish that my brows were the type of brows where I had fuller brows, you know what I mean? And I didn't have to do the pencil side, just do this. I would love that. But unfortunately, I do have very I have a lot thinner brows. Like I said, I do get some of the product because of the brushing on the different parts of my eye. Sorry guys, I blocked you. But I'm just cleaning it up, like those edges. Once this product dries, it sets and does not move, like I said. So this is what we have going on. I will comb them a little more. Okay, so that's what we have there. Like I said, guys, this is something new for me, but I really have been enjoying it, and I definitely wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, like it's completely dry now. On the ends are a little wet, but and then what I do is I just take whatever's left on the brush and I just comb it in. So affordable. Like I told you guys, I did get the brush that goes with it. I believe I got it on sale on ColourPop's website for $9 for the two together. But I told you guys about the brush. I can't really get the product in the brush. I'm going to try it laying down like this because this brush is straight. As you can see, this is just a Shop Miss A, I believe. AOA Studio from Shop Miss A for $1. You cannot beat it. Dollar Tree has them as well, now $1.25. I want to remember to say that. But you can find them for so cheap, you know. Again, Shop Miss A, anywhere really, they're really inexpensive unless you want like a super great quality. But this brush, I find that I can get in it, and I can try this brush again, just maybe flat and not so much with the bent side. But yeah, this is currently my brow routine. I find that it's quick, it's easy, and there's the brows again. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, your honest opinions. I'm still working on these edges. They're not the very best, like I said, because I do need to pluck some more in that area. But for the most part, I am pretty happy with this new brow technique and all of that. Definitely different for me, like I told you guys before. Definitely some getting used to, but nonetheless, I do like them. I feel like they look a lot more natural than before. So this was what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I will link all of the products down below for you guys. I will also link this AOA Studio if you guys want to order from that. And I'll put some couple other ones that you could find maybe like at Target that I think are great, or even Ulta. If you maybe can't place an order with Shop Miss A, I will place some down there that you can get like at your local regular stores. So this is going to complete this video. I do have some more videos I have to film, but this is its own initial video. I really hope that you guys are having a very blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you've tried out this product or a wax product, what you think of it. If you're loving it, if you're not, why. If you have any further questions on this or need some tips, definitely leave that down in the comments below. I would love to answer any questions that you guys have and give you my best advice if there's something that I can help you with. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.